first time, hydrogen work antioxidant. And most oxidant has shortcomings. For example, the antioxidant that dissolved in water cannot penetrate the membrane. Membrane is composed of lipid, and inside the cell is composed with water-soluble matter. So if the antioxidant is dissolved in water, it is difficult to penetrate the cell membrane because cell membrane is composed with lipid. But hydrogen is very small and can penetrate everywhere and distribute everywhere in our body. And that's why hydrogen has a benefit. And also, hydrogen is rather stable, and it is difficult to react with a lot of things. And that means hydrogen is inert. You understand inert?
Right.
Okay. And is safe.
So hydrogen is inert, and it's safe,
Yeah.
and it is capable of penetrating through the membrane,
Yeah.
where most antioxidants that we would ingest are not capable of penetrating through the membrane.
Yes, that's right. Hydrogen can distribute everywhere within 10 minutes.
We're going to drink this now, and 10 minutes later, the hydrogen will have penetrated into all of our cells.
Yes, that's right.
Wow.
Yeah. And we can detect hydrogen in everywhere.
And within those 10 minutes, Dr. Ohta,
Yeah.
tell me, it's fighting the oxidative stress that's going on in the cell?
Yes, that's right. And hydrogen can directly react with the oxygen species.
It can or cannot?
Can.
Okay.
And especially that is important that after release of hydrogen still continues the function. It is curious. You may feel
The
curious.
hydrogen continues to function?
Yes, without absence of hydrogen in our body. If we drink hydrogen water, after 1 hour, the hydrogen released from our body via lung. Okay, but still the role of hydrogen, a beneficial role of hydrogen, continue for one day.
Wow.
Yeah, that's important because some people feel curious that if we drink hydrogen water, after 1 hour, hydrogen is released, so we must drink whole day,
Right.
several times. So in that case, we must hydrogen water 10 times per day. But if we drink hydrogen water once, the effect is continue for 1 day.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Very
that's
interesting.
very important. The target of hydrogen is not only mitochondria. Maybe there are several targets and shows the regulation. And especially the hydrogen activates mitochondria and suppress the inflammation. And inflammation also give a damage for the whole body. Several papers describing the effect of the regulation of autophagy. And autophagy also has a lot of function to regulate our body. And for example, hydrogen regulates dementia via regulation of autophagy. So there are so many experiments in women. So a lot of women are saying that hydrogen is very good for skin, and also the circulation of blood flow is improved after drinking hydrogen water. So and also eliminate the stain, and maybe
The discoloration.
yeah. So hydrogen white has a function whitening. And also hydrogen suppresses the stress, decrease the stress.
The oxidative stress.
Yes, and also psychological stress.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about how it decreases
Yeah.
the psychological stress.
Maybe hydrogen improves the hormone that suppresses stress, psychological stress.
So when you say hydrogen helps to improve hormonal function, can you tell us more about that part?
Okay, so especially in that case of after the drinking hydrogen water, and the stomach can secrete that kind of hormone that relaxes our stress.